The ancient mistletoe? A plant that does not grow from the earth. A plant that blooms in winter. A plant suspended between heaven and soil. Why do people kiss under the mistletoe? This tradition did not begin with romance, it began with peace. In ancient Northern Europe, mistletoe was sacred because it grew without roots, green even in winter. It was believed to carry life force when the world was dark. Among the Celts and early Europeans, enemies who met beneath mistletoe were required to lay down their weapons. No fighting. Only truce. Then came the Norse myth. The god Balder was killed by mistletoe, the only plant not sworn to protect him. In grief, his mother Frigg transformed mistletoe from a weapon into a symbol of love and reconciliation. From then on, anyone who passed beneath it received a kiss of goodwill. Centuries later, in Victorian England, this ancient symbolism became a holiday custom. One kiss per berry. When the berries were gone, the magic ended. So kissing under the mistletoe was never just flirtation. It was a promise: choose love over conflict, warmth over winter, peace over fear. That is the real blessing of mistletoe. What do you call mistletoe in your language? Write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.